Wonderful home on wooded corner lot. Hardwood floors greet you in foyer and are throughout kitchen, living and dining room. Crown molding, chair rail, wainscoting and plantation shutters. Roomy kitchen. Gas fireplace and separate family room. Huge walk-up attic. Rear entry oversized garage with small workshop. Almost 0.5 acres. Generous bonus room with second stairs. Awesome neighborhood with optional competitive swim club in North Raleigh. Only $45 whole dues annually. Home is priced to sell. Would be at least $380K with more updates.